Watson, the velociraptor. Ow! Okay, off. Watson. I'm gonna try again. Wait. Yeah. Oh no! Sit. Can you sit? Yeah. I'm gonna give you a treat. Yeah. Good girl. Good sit. Yeah. You know those videos where somebody tries to socialize a dog to something or train a dog to do something? Come back here. And the dog just does whatever the owner wants. Well, this is not one of those videos. Hey, Watson. Watson hates getting her nails done. Good girl. So I bought a nail grinder for like $1 million. Hey. And I'm going to try and socialize her to the grinder. But I have a feeling it's not going to work. So, hey, Watson. What's this? Hey? I put that there. Yes. Paw. Yes, good girl. Yeah. Can I touch your paw? Can I touch your paw? You ready? Can you sit? No, what I got. Yeah. You ready? I'm gonna touch your paw. No, I'm gonna touch your paw. No, you can't eat it. Touch your paw. Yeah. See that? Good girl. I'm gonna touch your paw. You ready? Here we go. No, don't eat it. No. See? Good girl. You ready? I do your nails? Yeah, there you go. Can I do your nails? Nope, not gonna work.